Hello everybody, this is Vladan. In this short tutorial we are going to tackle the annoying issue when we re-import an already exported FBX into Maya. The issue is the color space switch. So as you can see, this is my Maya file and everything looks as it was expected. Now if I close this file and reopen it as an already exported FBX, and here's the issue. The bump normal maps are switching to the sRGB mode instead of raw mode. To verify this, as you can see, if I go to bump mapping, the color space now is sRGB, right? And if I change it to the raw mode, it will look as it was expected, right? I can do the same for this material and specifically this texture node as well. Okay, now imagine if you had a lot of materials and that color space issue was you had to change manually in that way, right? It would be a tedious process. So if I close again my file and let me reopen it again, and if I run, I have created this Python scripts, and if I run it, as you can see in the UI, it has two options. It will change the color space to raw mode again, those two parameters. Since I don't really need the color to be in the raw mode, I will uncheck this option and just leave the normal one. After that, just click Fix Color Space, and we are getting a message, and after that just click OK. As we can see, those color space has returned to the raw mode, as you can see over here to verify it. Same goes to this material as well, right? If I go, for example, to sRGB, we have the same issue again, right? If I run it again, it will fix it for us automatically. You can of course do the same for the color channel as well, but most of the times you want your color albedo to be in the sRGB mode. But for example, let's just click it to see what happened, right? Thank you for watching.